it's Brooke with WTI. If you're looking for a bar stool that will add character to your home, check out RAINMOOD's Bar Stool. This is incredible. I love how it swivels all the way around in both directions, and my kids have a lot of fun sitting down and eating their dinner. I also love the fact that it is made with genuine leather. This blue leather looks so cool, and you can see the grain. I like the full grain look. Also, it has these really interesting details on the wood, and I love that it's really unique, so it could go anywhere in any style, and it just adds so much character. It also has these nail heads that make it look rustic, and I like the brass look of them. I have the 26-inch, and it is the perfect height for my countertop. I love how this bar stool is so sturdy and it doesn't tilt over even when I lean back or put all my weight on the bottom base, and it just is strong. This also comes with floor protectors, so as I slide my stool, it doesn't damage my floor. I like that there's a footrest because I love setting my feet on something, and it's really comfortable to sit in this stool. I also love how cushioned the chair is. There is a really nice cushion, and it gives as you sit down. It's made really well. This was really easy to install. It is easy to clean and maintain. And it's waterproof, so if you spill on it, it's one of those things that you do want in your kitchen because you can utilize it, but it looks really cool at the same time. It's really easy to use, it's fun to sit on, and it's just a wonderful addition. So I love it. It builds character in my home, but that's just my point of view.